2025 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R continues to uphold its legacy as a formidable presence in the supersport motorcycle segment, blending advanced technology with race-proven performance. Engine and performance at its core, the Ninja ZX-10R is powered by a 998cc inline-4 engine, delivering impressive power and torque figures. This engine configuration ensures rapid acceleration and a thrilling top-end performance, making it a favorite among both track enthusiasts and street riders. Chassis and handling: the motorcycle's chassis is designed for optimal rigidity and balance, contributing to precise handling characteristics. The suspension setup, featuring fully adjustable Showa balance-free forks at the front and a horizontal backlink rear suspension, offers riders the ability to fine-tune their ride experience, ensuring stability and responsiveness across various riding conditions. Ergonomics and rider comfort: Kawasaki has engineered the Ninja ZX-10R with rider ergonomics in mind. The wide handlebars and relatively high foot pegs provide an aggressive riding stance, ideal for spirited riding. Additionally, the low-profile seat design aids riders in minimizing drag during straight-line speeds, enhancing overall aerodynamics. Technology and features: the 2025 model is equipped with a suite of electronic aids to enhance both performance and safety. These include traction control, multiple power modes, launch control, and a quick shifter, allowing riders to tailor the bike's behavior to their preferences and riding conditions. The inclusion of electronic cruise control adds convenience for longer rides. Design and aesthetics: for 2025, Kawasaki has introduced new color schemes, including an updated Kawasaki Racing Team (KRT) World Superbike (WSBK) livery, giving the Ninja ZX-10R a fresh and aggressive look. These aesthetic updates complement the bike's sharp and aerodynamic design, reflecting its racing pedigree. Pricing: the 2025 Ninja ZX-10R is priced starting ₹1,793,000. These prices position it competitively within the liter class sport bike market, offering a blend of performance and value.